8 collagen-rich foods you must eat for your legs and joints. Watch the video till the end. You're not just getting older. You're losing collagen fast. Imagine waking up each morning feeling like your knees and ankles have been through a marathon, stiff, swollen and creaky. By the time you hit 65, your body's internal collagen factory is churning out less than half the collagen it needs to keep your joints smooth and your legs light on their feet. But here's the game changer. 99% of seniors have no idea that the secret to reversing joint inflammation, improving your range of motion, and reducing leg swelling by nearly half isn't in a pill bottle, it's in your kitchen pantry. In this 2-part series, we're unveiling 8 everyday, kitchen-friendly foods that do more than just slow joint breakdown. They actively rebuild your connective tissues from the inside out. These aren't exotic superfoods flown in on private jets. They're simple, nutrient-dense ingredients you've probably seen on the supermarket shelf 100 times, but have never thought to leverage for joint health. Before we jump into the countdown, here's a quick call to action. How old are you right now? Type your age down in the comments below. Yes, right now. We're personally reading every single response, and you might even see your name pop up in our shout-outs. Ready? Let's launch right into food number 8. Food number 8. Egg yolks. Sulfur powerhouses. Most of us have been trained to toss the yolk and eat egg whites, thinking we're doing our hearts a favor. But flip that mindset, egg yolks are where the real connective tissue magic happens. Packed with biotin, sulfur and vitamin D, these golden orbs supply the essential cofactors your body uses to manufacture collagen. Think of sulfur as the key that locks collagen strands into a strong, stable structure. Without it, collagen becomes brittle, leading to weak ligaments, fluid leakage in tissues, and that dreaded puffy leg feeling. Consider this. A 2020 clinical trial had adults with mild joint stiffness add 5 whole eggs to their breakfast 5 days a week for 10 weeks. The result? A remarkable 22% reduction in knee and lower back discomfort, particularly pronounced in participants over 60, along with measurable increases in blood markers for collagen synthesis and decreases in C-reactive protein, a marker of systemic inflammation. If you're worried about cholesterol, latest research shows moderate whole egg intake doesn't spike LDL for most seniors and actually supports healthy HDL levels. Pro tip. To preserve the delicate sulfur compounds, cook yolks gently poached, soft-boiled, or lightly fried in olive oil. Avoid high-heat scrambling that can oxidize nutrients. Crack those shells and let the golden goodness fuel your joints. Food number 7. Pumpkin seeds. Mineral mini giants. Small but mighty, pumpkin seeds are nutritional dynamos loaded with zinc, magnesium, and manganese. The elemental building blocks for collagen production. Zinc kickstarts the enzymatic processes that stitch amino acids into new collagen fibers. Magnesium acts like an anti-inflammatory bodyguard, calming oxidative stress in loaded joints. And manganese? It's the silent sculptor, reinforcing connective tissue strength and elasticity. In a 2021 study published in Biological Trace Element Research, seniors who snacked on just a quarter cup of raw or dry roasted pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks experienced a 27% boost in joint flexibility and a 19% drop in lower leg swelling. Blood panels revealed a surge in collagen precursor molecules and a sharp decline in oxidative stress biomarkers. The best part? These results were most dramatic in participants over 65 who started with existing stiffness and difficulty walking. Pro tip. To maximize mineral uptake, soak your seeds overnight in water with a pinch of sea salt to neutralize phytic acid, then dry roast or sprinkle them raw over oatmeal, salads, or blend into your morning smoothie for an easy mineral infusion. Food number 6. Bone and canned salmon. Shelf-stable collagen. Ready for a pantry hack? Those soft, edible bones in canned salmon are a goldmine of natural collagen, gelatin, calcium, and phosphorus plus anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids that soothe swelling from the inside out. When combined, they create a synergistic matrix that not only cushions worn-down cartilage, but also stimulates new collagen formation at the cellular level. A 2020 trial in nutrients enrolled seniors with chronic knee stiffness. Participants who enjoyed 3 servings of bone-in canned salmon per week for 10 weeks saw a 32% improvement in knee flexibility and a 21% reduction in C-reactive protein levels. Beyond lab markers, they reported standing, walking and climbing stairs with markedly less discomfort. Pro tip: opt for wild-caught salmon packed in water or olive oil. Mash the bones gently into the flesh and stir into grain bowls, salads or avocado toast. No fancy prep required. It's a simple, shelf-stable strategy to flood your joints with collagen-rich goodness. Food number 5. Chicken skin. Poultry pro-collagen. It's time to rethink that skin-off mentality. Chicken skin contains type I collagen, the very same collagen type found in your ligaments, tendons and cartilage. When you consume it, you're giving your body the exact raw materials it needs to repair and reinforce joint cushioning, reduce stiffness, and combat swelling. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before starting any supplement or treatment. All referenced studies and sources are listed in the video description. According to a study in the International Journal of Medical Sciences, adults over 55 who included skin-on poultry in their daily diets reported a 40% increase in overall joint comfort and a 33% drop in morning stiffness within 12 weeks. Imaging also showed fewer signs of cartilage erosion and improved joint lubrication. Pro tip: slow roast or bake skin-on chicken thighs, wings or neck pieces at moderate heat to preserve collagen integrity. Avoid deep frying, as high temperatures can oxidize fats and trigger inflammation. Shred the tender skin into soups, stews or salads to sneak in a powerful collagen boost. That's it for Part 1 for underdog foods that quietly pack a powerful collagen punch. In Part 2, we'll unveil the top 4 collagen superstars guaranteed to supercharge your joint repair and silence aching knees for good. Don't click away, drop your age below. Hit that like button if you're finding these tips helpful, and make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss the grand finale. Food number 4, gelatin. Instant joint fuel. Consider gelatin, your pre-digested collagen nature's fast-track supplement without the pill bottle. Extracted from cooked bones, skins, and connective tissue, gelatin is essentially ready-to-use collagen peptides that your body can absorb with minimal digestive effort. For seniors with slower digestion or chronic leg swelling, this is a game-changer. A landmark double-blind study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition enrolled older adults with mild to moderate joint pain. After just 6 weeks of daily gelatin supplementation, around 10 grams per day, participants experienced a 37% boost in overall joint mobility and a 27% reduction in knee and ankle inflammation. MRIs even revealed early signs of cartilage thickening, a rare find without surgical intervention. Pro tip: choose unflavored, grass-fed gelatin powder with no added sugars or artificial ingredients. Stir it into warm water, tea, or homemade bone broth until fully dissolved. Craving something sweet? Use natural fruit juice to make no-guilt, collagen-rich gummies perfect for a daily portable joint boost. Food number 3, sardines with skin and bones. Tiny fish, big impact. Don't underestimate these little ocean warriors. When eaten whole with skin and bones, sardines deliver type I collagen, natural gelatin, calcium, elastin, and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids in one tiny package. The skin provides elastin and anti-inflammatory fats, while the bones melt into soft, easy-to-eat collagen nuggets. A 2022 trial published in Nutrients had seniors add 3 servings of whole sardines per week to their diets. By week 8, Joint pain scores dropped by 29%. Knee and ankle swelling decreased by 25%. And blood markers for collagen synthesis surged. Researchers noted the most dramatic improvements in participants over 65 with early arthritis symptoms. Pro tip: go for canned sardines packed in water or extra virgin olive oil. Mash them into avocado toast, mix into pasta sauces, or blend with Greek yogurt and herbs for a creamy collagen-packed spread. If the flavor feels strong, start small sardine tarts on crackers or lightly spiced fish cakes can ease you in. Food number 2, bone broth. Liquid joint therapy. If bone broth were a superhero, it'd wear a cape made of collagen fibrils. Simmering bones for 12 to 24 hours releases gelatin, glycine, proline, and essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. The result is a liquid collagen infusion that floods your joints with every nutrient required for repair and lubrication. In a 2021 randomized placebo-controlled study in clinical interventions in aging, seniors who drank 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks experienced a 44% reduction in joint swelling, a 38% improvement in mobility and pain scores, and ultrasound imaging confirmed increased cartilage thickness in knee joints. Pro tip: make your own with chicken backs, turkey necks, or beef knuckles. Add apple cider vinegar during the initial simmer to draw minerals out of the bones. Throw in onion, garlic, carrots, and herbs for flavor. Strain and sip plain, or use as a base for nutrient-dense soups and stews. Freeze portions in ice cube trays for an easy daily dose. Food Ma 1, beef tendons. Ultimate collagen bomb. Here it is, the undisputed champion of collagen content, beef tendons. Nearly 100% type I collagen. These unassuming cuts become meltingly tender when slow cooked, releasing high-potency collagen peptides and gelatin that zero in on weakened connective tissues. A 2022 clinical trial in the Journal of Functional Foods studied participants over age 60 who consumed a collagen-rich beef tendon stew 3 times per week. After just 30 days, joint fluid density jumped by 63%, knee stiffness dropped by 41%, and MRI scans confirmed new soft tissue growth around key joints. Most seniors reported feeling steadier on their feet, with less grinding pain when climbing stairs or standing for long periods. Pro tip: simmer beef tendons in bone broth or water with garlic, ginger, and a splash of rice vinegar for 8 to 12 hours until they turn jelly-like and fork tender. Chop them into hearty stews, noodle bowls, or rice porridge. If you're new to the texture, combine small pieces with soft vegetables or grains to make the introduction seamless. That wraps up our deep dive into 8 game-changing collagen-rich foods that rebuild damaged joints, flush out painful swelling, and restore strength to your legs. No pills, no expensive supplements, just real delicious nutrition that works from the inside out. That wraps up our deep dive into 8 game-changing collagen-rich foods that rebuild damaged joints, flush out painful swelling, and restore strength to your legs. No pills, no expensive supplements, just real delicious nutrition that works from the inside out. Which collagen-packed hero will you invite to your next meal? Let us know in the comments below. We're reading every single one and can't wait to hear your success stories. And if these tips have you buzzing with hope, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our senior-focused health hacks. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal itself. Give it the collagen it craves and watch your joints spring back to life. Subscribe for more and watch the useful videos on screen.